Plant FAQs. Begonia U402. Begonia U402, a fast-growing foliage friend. Hi, Ferbu here, and today we're diving into the fascinating world of the Begonia U402. This unique begonia has captured the hearts of many plant enthusiasts with its easygoing nature and stunning foliage. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or a curious beginner, this FAQ will answer all your burning questions about the Begonia U402. See more 2,104 species in genus Begonia at monsteraholic.com. What is a Begonia U402? The Begonia U402 is a captivating, shrub-like begonia shrouded in a bit of mystery. While its exact species remains unidentified, it's believed to hail from Venezuela. Introduced into cultivation by John Howell of the U.S., this begonia has become a popular choice for its attractive foliage and ease of care. What does a Begonia U402 look like? The Begonia U402 boasts mesmerizing foliage that changes depending on the light it receives. In lower light conditions, the leaves showcase a rich olive green hue. But bathe it in brighter light, and the magic happens. The leaves transform, revealing a captivating bronze color with subtle hints of brown. These asymmetrical leaves can grow up to 5 centimeters long and 2.5 centimeters wide, adding a touch of texture and visual interest to any space. Begonia U402 versus Begonia Ulmifolia, dark variant. There's often confusion between the Begonia U402 and the dark variant of Begonia Ulmifolia. While they share some similarities, there are key distinctions. Origin. Begonia U402's exact origin remains unknown, although it's believed to be from Venezuela. Begonia ulmifolia, on the other hand, has a documented history and can be found in various locations, including the Philippines and Borneo. Leaf shape. The Begonia U402 has asymmetrical leaves, while the Begonia ulmifolia, dark variant, boasts more symmetrical, heart-shaped leaves. Growth habit. Both are fast-growing shrub-like begonias, but the Begonia U402 might have a slightly denser growth pattern. For a definitive identification, consulting a botanist or experienced plant enthusiast is recommended. How to care for your Begonia U402. The Begonia U402 is a dream come true for plant beginners. Here's what you need to know to keep your beauty thriving. Light. Provide your Begonia U402 with bright, indirect light. Avoid harsh midday sun, as this can scorch the leaves. Watering. Water your Begonia U402 when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Avoid overwatering, which can lead to root rot. Soil. Opt for a well-draining potting mix specifically formulated for houseplants. Humidity. While the Begonia U402 tolerates average household humidity, it might appreciate occasional misting, especially during dry spells. Fertilizer. During the growing season, spring and summer, fertilize your Begonia U402 with a balanced liquid fertilizer once a month, diluted according to the manufacturer's instructions. Propagation. Sharing the Begonia U402 love. The Begonia U402 readily propagates through stem cuttings. Here's a quick guide. Select a healthy stem with at least 2 nodes. Make a clean cut just below a node using sterilized pruning shears. Remove the lower leaves, leaving a few nodes exposed. Plant the cutting in a pot with well-draining soil, ensuring a node is buried. Water the soil lightly and keep it consistently moist but not soggy. Place the pot in a location with bright, indirect light. Be patient. Rooting can take several weeks. Common Begonia U402 problems and solutions. While generally low maintenance, here are some common issues you might encounter with your Begonia U402. Brown leaves. This can be caused by underwatering, overwatering, or too much direct sunlight. Adjust your watering habits and relocate the plant if necessary. Leaf drop. Sudden changes in temperature or environment can trigger leaf drop. Ensure consistent temperatures and avoid drafts. Pests. Mealybugs and aphids can occasionally bother your Begonia U402. Neem oil spray or insecticidal soap are effective solutions. With proper care and a watchful eye, you can easily prevent these issues and keep your Begonia U402 thriving. There you have it. With its stunning foliage and easygoing nature, the Begonia U402 is a fantastic addition to any plant collection.